Hello, class 12 students. Once again, I welcome you all in a video lecture on the topic Indo-Pakistan conflict. When we are talking about India and Pakistan, all of us know that the relation between both these neighbors is not good, or the relation is have relation is having many issues of conflicts, and that's why the entire South Asian region is disturbed due to the conflict of the India and Pakistan. So what are the issues of conflict when we are talking about India and Pakistan? The first issue of conflict is the Kashmir. Second, the Bangladesh. Third, we can say that Pakistan is always giving aid and support to the terrorists. Then we can see that disputes over the sharing of river water, conflicts on Siachen Glacier, and the arms race between both the countries. So now we will see that what are these problems when we are talking about Kashmir. Pakistan think that Kashmir belongs to it. Why? Because more than 70% population in Kashmir are Muslims. That's why Pakistan think that Kashmir belong to him. And when at the time of independence in 1947, Kashmir decided to remain independent under the rule of Maharaja Hari Singh. Maharaja Hari Singh was a Hindu ruler, but most of the population in the Kashmir was Muslims. In 1947 itself, by Kashmir faced attacked by the Pakistan, and at that time Maharaja Hari Singh seek help from the India, and India provided help, and in return Kashmir ready to merge with India, and Pakistan tried many times in 1947, 1961 to control over the Kashmir, but it could not succeed, and whenever it tried to get Kashmir, it lost. In any war it was not able to win, and there is a line of control between India and Pakistan, but Pakistan is not satisfied, and Pakistan says that the part of India, which is Kashmir, is India occupied Kashmir. So there is the problem. Then the next problem is Bangladesh. As we know that in Pakistan there was a problem between the East and West Pakistan, and Indian government in 1971, the Indian government helped the East Pakistanis to get independence from the West Pakistan, and it also remained as an issue of conflict between both these countries, and Pakistan understood that India has interfered in his internal matters, but India has nothing to in its where India wants anything about its internal matters. India always seek that how can it help only the East Pakistanis for their national aspiration. So but it causes all issues of conflict between the India and Pakistan. It tensed, but after that we had a Simla Agreement in 1972, and by Simla Agreement we have the India and Pakistan tried to normalize its relation. Then the Pakistan add and support to the terrorism. As we know that the land of Pakistan's aid and support act of the terrorism in Punjab and Kashmir have claimed thousands of innocent lives during the last 30 years, Pakistan supported terrorism, and we had, due to this, we can talk about 1993 bomb blast, we can talk about attack on the Parliament of India, we can talk, again we had attack in the Mumbai Taj Hotel in 2008. So Pakistan's secret agency ISI is directly operating many operations against India, and openly Pakistan protect the terrorism, and many times the India have talked that how can बातचीत और आतंकवाद दोनों साथ साथ नहीं चल सकता है. So India always blamed Pakistan that Pakistan is giving protection to the terrorism, and Pakistan also trained terrorist breach our borders through Bangladesh and Nepal in the perpetrate violence. Then we will talk about disputes of sharing river water. What is this dispute of the sharing of river water? How can we take these disputes? So there are also disputes of water of rivers and division of water of rivers in Jhelum and Chenab that flow through Kashmir into Pakistan. India adopted a liberal policy on this issue, and otherwise many part of the western Pakistan would have converted into the hot desert. So India always sensible about the Pakistan, but Pakistan is dissatisfied, and it always claims on the more the waters. In 1960, this dispute was solved by the World Bank, with the help of World Bank. Then we will talk about the conflict over Siachen Glacier. Conflict over Siachen Glacier, it is a landmass, it is a area almost 12,000 feet above from the sea level, and also led a costly war between these two countries. Pakistan has sent troops in large numbers with a view to strengthening to hold over the glacier, and India retaliated in 2005, and our Prime Minister declared this zone a zone of peace. We wanted withdrawal of troops from both the countries. So by this way, Pakistan always tried to spark the matters which should not be done. And then we can talk about the arms race. As we know, when we are talking about arms race, as we know that during the Cold War era, Pakistan received in initial phase a lots of support from the USA also, because as we know that during the Cold War era, world was divided into two parts, and India was against this division, and India decided to remain neutral, remain non-aligned, not neutral, non-aligned. So that's why USA and China all given lots of support to the Pakistan, and India and Pakistan both are at present nuclear country, and in arms race in the South Asia become acute, with the India and Pakistan acquiring nuclear weapons and ballistic missiles. In 1998, India concluded nuclear test at Pokhran. India did its test in 1974 also in Pokhran in Rajasthan. Soon Pakistan also carried out nuclear test in the Chagai Hills. So India is not interested in a nuclear race, but Pakistan has been dubbed as the world's most dangerous country. In spite of it, we had also some confidence building measures. ये तो हो गए हमारे बीच तनाव के, but we are also having some confidence building measures when we are talking about the relation between India and Pakistan. The first that India and Pakistan agreed to in 2005 the Srinagar Muzaffarabad bus service. Then we on the stage of SAARC nations. We have signed South Asian Free Trade Zone. In 2006, both these countries have a joint anti-terror mechanism in November 2006. So, in restoration of democracy, Pakistan reached in agreement on the joint terror mechanism and resumed the composite dialogues. And even our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, once our Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee also tried to make a good relation between India and Pakistan, and he also told that we can change our friends but we can't change our neighbors. So India always tried that we should maintain a good relation between them. So Sri Narendra Modi invited SAARC leaders, including the Prime Minister of the Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif, of his swearing ceremony. So by this way, both these countries should try that there should be a good relation, but it is very difficult. So I can say here that India and Pakistan are having more issues of conflict rather than friendship. That's all for today. Thank you.